So my friends, running kimono here. Well, I got a quick little free haul of some goods, no booster needed, just a really superb deal. And these 4 packs of the Walgreens toilet paper, $1.99 this week. Before we even touch into the deals, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app to use to save money, including free bread. The Fetch Rewards app. If you have not signed up for this app, check out the link in the notes. And when you use my referral code, and you photograph your first receipt, you're given like $2. You can photograph an old pack of gum from last week or something from Taco Bell, and you're given $2. It is that great. How to find this bread rebate is to go into your discoveries page, type in bread at the very top, and it should pop. I got one. And yeah, a free loaf of bread when everything is so expensive. This is kind of like a little gift. So if you're out and about bebopping and doing your couponing today, this Sunday the 16th, by all means go to a grocery store and grab this bread. Okay, so this is a new product over at Walgreens. It's a 4 count of this toilet paper. I think it's supposed to be a lot like Charmin. A couple weeks back, it was BOGO free, so it was $2.49. This week, it's $1.99 per. Check it out in the app. My store was not tagged, but I could not pass up this deal. So grabbing 3 of them at $1.99, that's exactly what I did. And I went with the Ultra Soft instead of the Ultra Strong. So that's what we got, 3 of them. So 3 of them is $5.97. You can use $5 in Walgreens cash, or if you might have $5 register reward, by all means throw that in. And you're paying 97 cents for the 3 plus your tax. I think that is a super smart stock up price, a great item to have in your stockpile. Now, similarly, for the exact same price this week is the Arm & Hammer. So it's the scent beads, the pods, or the liquid detergent. When you're in the store, be super smart to look at the load count for the liquid detergent because they've gone to 21 or 27. 27 is the older bottles, and that's what you want. So basically, guys, I grabbed 3 of the sensitive skin. Everybody's having babies, so I'm trying to stock up on this. Exact same price as the toilet paper at $1.99 a pop. Use $5 in Walgreens cash or a $5 register reward if you might have it, and pay 97 cents for the 3. I think this is just a super smart deal. If you're a newer couponer who wants to stock up, by all means make this happen. I love these cheap prices. If you wanted to get 6, 3 of each, or 6 of each, by all means do that as well. Just a really good deal. The next deal that we have, and apologies to toothpaste. I've been so obnoxious saying, I'm not getting any deals with toothpaste, and then they pulled it all from us this month. But if you need a tube, this is a superb deal. We're going to be looking for the Crest toothpaste priced at $4. It's part of the promotion of spend 20, get back 5, but if you want to do this deal on its own, this is how I would do it. We have a $4 just for you. Hopefully you got the same one. Please make sure this is the only one loaded. If you have the $2 off, it's not as good, so you need this $4 off only. And if you look it up in the app, what qualifies with the digital coupon, you see the pretty little chorus line of all the different $4 flavors, but this is the one that we had at my store, which is the Crest Prohealth Advanced Deep Clean Mint. We have not had a toothpaste deal in some time, so it's really nice to see this one come back for 1 free tube of toothpaste. By all means, make it happen, guys. So grabbing this tube for $4, subtracting that $4 digital, and yes, it came off for me at checkout. It basically makes it for free. You have to pay the tax. So if the very least, if this is the only thing you want to get this week, it's a free tube of toothpaste. By all means, make it happen. Now we have 1 more weekend or 2 more weekends before Halloween, and they always have the treat of the week. So it is these snack sizes of the Kit Kats for $2.49. By all means, if you wanted to use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents, what a nice little thing to have, at your house or at your office, or if you just want to hand it out to trick-or-treaters. Really great product. Okay, I'm very happy that this actually worked out the way I thought it would be. The All and Snuggle is $3.99 this week. So that is a really, really good price point for this detergent. So you can pick the liquid or the pods. I think the dryer sheets are also included, but you're going to have to root around at your store. Again, nothing was tagged because I went first thing this morning, and with limited staff, tagging isn't always an issue. The fabric softener as well, whatever you want to buy. Now, I suspected in my Friday video that there would be a high value coupon for this. And guess what? I was right. I love being right about this sort of stuff. So we have $1.50 digital. And if you look below, that's all the good stuff that's listed. So I grabbed the all packs. My husband's very sensitive to any sort of scent. $3.99, subtracting that $1.50 digital, it's $2.49. Use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're not using a booster with, and it's just a really good deal for some very inexpensive detergent. Another really great deal this week is with these 6 packs of the Quilted Northern. I know toilet paper is one of those things. Some people are super fussy about it. So let's just go through all of them. And also that Walgreens 4-pack, just try it for $1.99. You don't really have much to lose. We also have this digital dollar coupon. And as you can see, the sales price this week is $6.79. So looking at this math really quickly, one of the Quilted Northerns at $6.79, subtracting that digital, you're paying $5.79. If you might have a $5 register reward or $5 in Walgreens cash, by all means use it and pay 79 cents and laugh all the way to the toilet paper bank and back. The $1.25 IVC that is digital for the Scott. This is the last week to use it. So if you wanted to go in there and grab like a bunch and make a deal and use some Walgreens cash, by all means make it happen by Saturday. But just a reminder for both the Scott toilet paper and the paper towel, if you use a lot of paper towel like moi, definitely stock up by the end of the week. And I will be doing that as well. I don't want to forget. Okay, guys, so I did not do a booster deal, but I had a weird booster on my store card because it's my birthday month. So I get back a certain percentage back. Those don't ever really print out for me, but this year I got one for whatever stupid reason. But I wanted to do this deal with the Dove body wash. They're $7 a pop, and when you spend $20, you get back a $5 store register reward. So not the worst little deal. So I went and got the men's. I got 3 men's. This one, it's a 3-in-1. It's like a face, body, hair. It does everything. So this is the one that I grabbed, and I'm like, oh, why not? And this morning, as suspected in the video I made on Friday, I knew there would be a 7 off 2, and the men is included. So, boom, there it is. And then we also had another $2 digital for both the men and the women. So it gives you extra savings as well. So make sure that you have both of those loaded. And then I went over to my Fetch Rewards account, and I had this goofy one of believe it's 15, get $2 back on the men's Dove. So I'm 9 shy away from that. So I'm pretty close. So I'm going to go on my husband's card and get more Dove men because I'm so close. And yeah, I keep talking about Fetch Rewards. It's a terrific app. Sign up today if you have not. It's a really good one to have, especially for rebates like this. Wanted a very low out of pocket. So last week, the diaper deal that I did, this is a manufacturer register reward. Thus, I could use it to get my out of pocket low. I didn't have a booster, but I had that birthday booster. So I knew I was going to get at least $2 back in Walgreens cash. So that's what I did, guys. So just jogging you through the math here. 3 of the Dove men for $21, subtracting the 7 off 2 and the $2 digital coupons plus a $10 manufacturer register reward. With my debit card, I paid $2. And then I got back a $5 store register reward and then $2 in Walgreens cash. As I was using that weird booster, I can't use Walgreens cash to pay. And I believe the offer for the Dove men is to spend 20, get back 5. So just be mindful of that to pay with your debit card for the balance, because I know that customer service would love nothing more than just to deny you. They've been certainly rude with me on the phone the last couple of months with anything like that. So just be mindful of that. And then if you have that 5 back when you spend 20 booster, it's a much better deal, but work with whatever you have. And then I got this back, which is the $5 store register reward for spending $20 on Dove. Plus I have a lot tracking towards that Dove rebate for men with the Fetch Rewards app. So I'm really happy about that. Guys, before I take off, let's have a quick little giveaway. To participate, you got to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. The one winner will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. The name of the winner will be pinned on Friday, October the 21st. Good luck, and this is absolutely free to participate. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.